Welcome to AchvMate, your personal OS for launching goals, validating ideas, and getting expert guidance from AI mentors and real-world coaches. Let's take a quick tour of what you can do inside the platform.
First, here's your AchvMate dashboard. At the top, we've got your weekly rundown, a snapshot of upcoming tasks, goal progress, and insights to keep you focused. Quickly access your goals, active tasks, and browse recommended success recipes tailored to your journey.
Each goal has a custom-generated image to help make it memorable. And eventually, these will tell a story of your growth with milestones and completed tasks. Here's a shared goal. We're building toward a future where you can crowdfund community goals with task-level accountability to build donor confidence. Inside a goal, the first thing you'll see is your why. As we say, if your why is big enough, the how gets easier. From here, you can generate an analysis with success probabilities, risk factors, and helpful resources. Visualize a roadmap that shows your unique path to success. Attach success recipes for deeper AI-driven analysis and strategy. Convert your roadmap into trackable, assignable tasks. Add journal entries to get break recommendations and prevent burnout. And if you need guidance, explore our network of mentors and coaches right from the goal.
Success recipes are the core of how experts teach inside AchvMate. Coaches can create recipes using a multi-step form, with built-in AI suggestions and templates for their specialty. Soon, they'll be able to manage appointments and billing all in one place. For users, recipes become interactive journeys, with personal analysis, assignments, and the ability to attach them directly to goals.
Finally, welcome to the perfect pitch. Step into a virtual Shark Tank and pitch your startup, idea, or goal to an AI investor. Get grilled, get graded, and walk away with insights on your delivery, content, and clarity. Listen back to your audio, review your report, and see how you rank, all private and secure.
AchvMate isn't just about setting goals. It's about giving you the tools, insights, and support to actually achieve them. One step, one pitch, one breakthrough at a time. Ready to get started?